in this video we're going to be doing talking about our life, but we're going to be using sounds off this app Zedge. You should get it. It's a really cool app. So if it's something scary, it'll go dun dun dun, something happy, yippee-yo, stuff like that.
Not yippee-yo.
No. But okay, so we'll start. Don't say anything. When it's your part, I'll tell you. Okay? When Audra was born, they all thought she was going to be a... But then they realized that she was a crazy chicken. So whenever her mom came near, she always put on a Mom Alert. Mom Alert. Mom Alert!
Your mother is... Stop what you're doing, calm down, and answer the phone.
And she also had a best friend.
Oh my gosh, it's me. I wonder if something's wrong. This is only the 12th time. My best friends called me all day. Yeah, best friends are cool because they know when you're sleeping, they know when you're awake, they know when you're leaving the house, they know when you're happy, when you're sad. Come to think of it, it's kind of like having a stalker. But I don't care, it's my best friend. Best friends are awesome. I think everybody should have a best friend just like mine. But don't take mine, I'll kill you. It's my best friend.
And she also liked popcorn. And her life was like...
My life be like...
Now it's my life story. Wait, till this is over. And that's the end of my story. Okay, and my story. When I was a young kid, we had to use the old telephones. Yikes. But then we got to eat candy. I said, we got to eat candy. I said, we got to drink Kool-Aid. And I also had to call my dad. Kool-Aid, 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 Kool-Aid. And I also had to call my dad a lot, and he called me even more. I'm telling you. I also had a little pet turtle that died. And this is dead turtle. We're dying turtle. Okay. And of course, the end!